Hello everyone, and welcome back to another RTE video. Previously, we conducted an unboxing and took an initial look at the new Folio from reMarkable. Today, we're going to learn how to set up the keyboard with your device and then see how well it works. Once the Folio is connected to your device, you'll see a message displayed on the screen to choose your preferences. Once selected, you'll be presented with the option to choose your style of key combinations. For PC, the shortcut key is the Control key, while for Mac, the Shortcuts menu will open up with the Alt key. To open the menu, you'll need to hold down the specified key for 3 seconds. And that's pretty much it in regards to setup. Next, we'll see how well the keyboard works. We'll start off with a new note and begin typing. As soon as you start typing, the reMarkable switches to text mode. Due to the size of the device, some may prefer a larger keyboard. That said, it's not difficult to type on, however, just be aware of the compact nature of the Folio for long typing sessions. Now, here's a look at the keyboard shortcuts menu. The first menu displays the editing shortcuts. Here, we see shortcuts for cut, copy, paste, and other editing functions. Next are shortcuts for navigation, such as search, next paragraph, and opening and closing documents and folders. Here are a few close-ups of the keyboard, along with a side angle shot. It's a slim design, lightweight, and feels well made. Since the reMarkable doesn't include Bluetooth, the Folio makes up for the lack of the feature, as most would probably use Bluetooth for a keyboard. Finally, while conducting the review, I came across a possible issue. I've kept my reMarkable in the Folio since receiving it. I've charged it as usual, but noticed it had run out of battery, which has never happened before. It makes me wonder if keeping it in the Folio somehow is draining the battery, or if I really did forget to charge it like I normally do. I'll be keeping an eye out and will conduct a battery test to see if the Folio does indeed drain the battery. If you're a reMarkable user in need of combining written and typed notes, the Folio is a great buy, especially since there are no other options to use a keyboard. I still need to look into the battery issue, but overall, it's a solid device. Let me know in the comments if you plan to purchase the Folio or wait for a version 2. Thank you for watching. Remember to click like and subscribe. This has been RTE. See you in the next video.